Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, currency traders worldwide. It's your boy L. Campbell here back again with another review of our binary trading. Here with another update. It's a new week. It's January 12th, 2015. Kicking off, it's the following week of January. Kicking it off real good so far. So it's Monday, as we mentioned, January 12th, and this is what we're looking at today. So far, we're trading the Euro session. This is pretty much a wrap up of it, and I'm going to take you through these trades in particular, play by play for the most part. So, with that being said, let's sit tight and see how it goes. First trade we're going to be looking at is the Euro, and then I had an error here in this Euro Yen trade. Maybe we could get into that a bit. But at the same time, all of this was going on. So just need you to sit tight, buckle up, and follow me, and we can get to it. So without further ado, let's get right on to it. So checking out the beginning of the Euro session, it's about 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time at this point. You see price action was at 1853 on the Euro. So I got into a short position. Yeah, that was a short binary, pretty much saying it was going to be below 1858, which is this white line here, by 4 a.m., which is this yellow line here. Let's see how this trade progressed. So at 248, we can see we got a bit of price action, a little bit of a reversal candle there. We can see prices really haven't moved. Still got about an hour and some change left. At 3 o'clock, there was another reversal pattern that I like on the Euro Yen, so that's what you're seeing here, and I took that. Looking for it to also expire at 4 a.m. So we got about 50 minutes left for that one in this particular screenshot. I took that actually at the money, so 140.22, 140.22. Looking for a price to continue to the downside here. Excuse me. Moving on to so 301. That's the Euro Yen. Back to Euro USD. We see a price action move to the downside a bit. That was helping our positions. 306, some continued movement on the Euro to the downside. 316, continued movement to the downside is what we like. Getting back to the Euro Yen, 327, you can see we got an extreme reversal here against my initial conviction that price was going to go down. Ended up getting another reversal, which is common, for them to take the stops up there and then continue to push price down. So with that being said, I wanted to try another technique that I use in my currency trading, and actually got into another position. This one extending the time frame to 5 a.m. some higher probabilities. The candle was still live at this point, but I was actually thinking this was a pretty good point, for price to reverse off. So that's in addition why I took another position. 345 now, and we can see that price has closed and indeed gave me the reversal candle that I like. That being said, I wanted to see if price would now continue to the downside. Got my alert set there. You can see price action now. I'm in 2 positions on the Yen. One expiring at 4, next one expiring at 5. This is actually a wrong time, but in the latest screenshot you'll see that I extend that out to 12, which is 5 a.m. Eastern. So I'll move on. You see 348. Looking back at the Euro, price continued to the downside. I'm feeling real good about this Euro position now, and my thoughts is just to let it run until expiration. Sometimes I like to take profits on this from what I've been learning so far, but in this one, I think it's a pretty good idea to just let this continue on to expiration. Getting back to the yen, price looks like it wants to continue to the downside here. You know, as a forecast, you know, as my forecast says, at this point up about 16 bucks on this trade, saying that it will not pass 36 here. And also had another trade here that said it was going to be below 22 from 40.22. That was the initial trade, but at this point I actually closed out of that trade for a $10 profit. And you can actually, let's go back and see. For that screenshot, actually, let's go back. So we're here. I'm gonna pull up that screenshot for you. So in this was the A1 position that I closed out at 12 bucks there, but it actually was a negative $30 because I went in for 42 bucks, got back 12, so it was a negative 30. At that point from one position. So now I'm in the second position, looking to continue to take this down. So 354 price continue to the downside a bit. Here we can just check out the euro position right before expiration. You see it's at plus 24 bucks. Got in at about 65, so it was out of the money. Not out of the, yeah, it was out of the money actually. 65 to make about what's that, 35. So you can see how that goes. Moving on, 65 bucks. Just another screenshot of that. Now we can see here, this is the second euro position. And price at this point, second euro yen position, the price at this point has reversed. I took it down to the 5 minute. It was on the 15 minute before. Took it down to the 5 minute. Price has reversed and is testing this level right here where I really would like price to close below. It's about 409 now. Got about 50 minutes left into the trade. Now it's about 430. 30 minutes left. Price continue to the upside. At this point, I really thought price wanted to continue to the upside, so you know, I took a buy, and you can see that right now at negative 12, and this is 432. This is actually a 5 a.m. expiration on this as well. This line is going to be extended out. This is not the right time. Got to move it out to 12 for it to be accurate. So a little bit later, right after pretty much entering at 432, we entered for the most part, and at 434 you can see our price just starts to push to the upside, which is good for us. This was the level right here on 40.48 where we bought it at. Price is up about $58 right now, and negative $101 on the second position. At this point, I have corrected the line, so this is the actual expiration line. As long as price closes within this zone right here above this white line before the yellow line, you know, or at the yellow line, will be profitable. So as you can see, the second position here that was sold, and we wanted to close below the white line by 12. You know, there's no chance of that being successful. So but at the same time, good thing is we got a buy there, and currently profitable right now at 4:40 a.m. Price continues to just dance around in that area. 456. We're about 3 minutes to expiration on both positions, and about 1 minute towards expiration, price took another thrust to the upside, and that's that. So I'm just getting back to it. This was our first position here, closed for -30. Second position closed for -119, and our third position that took off towards the end, you can see, closed for positive 176, leaving us with a positive $27 on that cluster of trades. In that also there was an error. I tried to set a take profit on one of the positions, and ended up forgetting to cancel the order, so it got filled, and so that's why I buy got filled, and I immediately tried to close it out, you know, within a minute, as you can see. But I took a slight hit on that, which is -$6. And the initial euro position that really ran off into our favor closed with positive $45. So on the day we're looking at about 39, about excuse me, just got distracted for a second. Got distracted for a minute over here, but who we were at, yeah, just calculating our totals. So that gives us about 45 minus 650, gives us about 30, 38. So 39 plus 27 puts us about 65. Give us about the 65 bucks on a day, 65 bucks a day on a day so far, positive, which is great in my opinion. Still demo trading. This is second week, and you know, so far there's only been one day that hasn't been positive, and it was a slight loss of about 10 or 20 bucks on that day. So you know, the positive days are far outweighing the negative days, and it's just been a great experience so far, just you know, testing Nadex, and you know, our partner and I, and us here at I Am Exponential Growth, pretty excited to really expand our portfolio to Nadex Trading, you know, and I encourage you to do the same. And if you made it to this point in the video, I just want to thank you for sticking with me, and hopefully you found some value in this. You know, if you got any questions, feel free to reach out. lcamp@imexponentialgrowth.com. You know, we're gonna keep on doing this, keep on growing our portfolio, and keep on helping you guys in the process. So as you know, man, it's investment skill building for exponential growth, real traders, real numbers. I am Exponential Growth, trust, integrity, and confidence. And this is how we doing it this year, 2015. Big numbers, big things. Till next time, it's your boy. Take it easy. Happy trading.